Amazon PPC is not your only way to gain traffic and money on Amazon. Don't forget about TikTok. TikTok has the ability to boost your Amazon sales significantly, even if you don't fully understand it. You can see right here, one of our clients, Hickaway, is now making $99,000 a month, but they did reach their first $1 million in sales. And a lot of it wasn't just Amazon PPC, but it was Amazon and TikTok combining to succeed. Now, Amazon loves when you're bringing TikTok content. And what you can do on TikTok, one of the easiest ways a lot of brands are growing is they're giving away their product on TikTok. So you give away your product, and in return, this creator, they just make a video of the product, right? And you can see right here, she's creating some videos. Let me refresh the page. There we go. Now she created a video utilizing the actual product, and it got 41,000 likes, right? Which is completely insane with so many. And a lot of people aren't buying the actual product on TikTok Shop. They might be, so you can sell it, but a lot of buyers are going to Amazon because they still trust Amazon more.
Annoying hiccups. And I have had this.
You can see her, she's promoting the product, right? Not doing anything crazy and still getting tons and tons of likes. 59 likes, 24. Each one adds up, and all you need to do is get a few that are viral, and then all of a sudden your Amazon sales shoot up because Amazon sees that people are on TikTok, leave TikTok to go to Amazon. Amazon can see that data, and then Amazon thinks that you're running ads from TikTok to Amazon, and Amazon loves that because they think that they're stealing traffic from TikTok. So they're going to push you to the first page on Amazon in almost every area because you're getting so much different traffic, right? So you can see how much they give it away, and we can actually look at the data. This is just their TikTok sales. So just their TikTok sales, you can see around $70,000 in just TikTok sales, which helped result in over $1 million in actual Amazon sales. Now, they did give their product away to over 2,000 video creators. So you would need to create a plan. This is the internal of TikTok. If you go and type in TikTok Seller Center, you can sign up as a seller on TikTok. You're going to get access to all of these, but the important one is affiliate. And this is, like I said, you give away your product. Go to open collaboration. Drive sales by offering samples. And again, this is one of the easiest and best ways. People used to pay $100 just to have people make a video of their product. Now, the only cost is pretty much shipping it to them, and pretty much the cost of the good, right? So you don't have to pay them any extra to actually create the video. So that you can turn this on, and you can actually invite creators. You can do target. Here we go. We can do target collaboration or open collaboration. Open collaboration means people just find your product, and people are looking all the time on TikTok. Or target collaboration is targeting specific people. Once you know who does the best, you can double down on them and target specific creators. So a big one that Hickaway has been targeting seems to be more females, obviously. And it looks like the ones that maybe are a mom, right? Here's a mom right here. So specifically those have been doing very, very well. So once you find your niche on who's the best, who's getting the most views, you can test outside of it every now and then, but it's good to stay inside your niche once you figure it out and just keep targeting those people over and over and over again to get as many clicks, as many views as possible, right? So you can see she's trying it. She got 31,000 likes. And these types of videos are what people want to see because on TikTok, they want to get entertained, right? But once they see something that they want, they may purchase on TikTok Shop. But a lot of the times they're going to Amazon to purchase. If you do need help with anything regarding Amazon, growing your sales, We're helping you with the affiliate side of TikTok to get more sales on Amazon. Feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description. We also have a course, and I do a breakdown of step by step on how our clients did it to make hundreds and thousands and millions of dollars. This is just one way to do it. There's multiple ways to do it on TikTok. I'm going to show you how in this course if you don't know how, right? It's pretty easy and it's cheap, and I'm pretty sure it's refundable because it's via Udemy. So you can get that in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.